Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most radical power cruisers coming out of China, the 2025 Benda LFC 700 Pro. A machine that fuses futuristic styling, serious performance, and pure road presence. Let's break it down. At the heart of the LFC 700 Pro lies a beastly 680 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, packing 93 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 63 Nm of torque at 8,500 RPM. This liquid-cooled, 16-valve engine is fed by electronic fuel injection and fired up via electric ignition. With a 6-speed transmission, chain final drive, and a slipper clutch to smooth out aggressive downshifts, this cruiser doesn't just look mean, it is mean. And thanks to a compression ratio of 11.6:1, this engine revs hard, making it one of the most powerful factory muscle cruisers in its class. Up front, you've got a premium KYB inverted fork, while the rear is supported by a plush air suspension system, offering both performance and comfort on long rides. Braking duties are handled by 320mm discs at the front and 260mm at the rear, with ABS ensuring safe stopping power. Need more control? The LFC 700 Pro also features traction control, TCS, not something you see every day on bikes in this segment. Let's talk rubber. The front tire is a solid 130/70-19, but the rear? A jaw-dropping 300/35-18, that's superbike width on a cruiser. This fat rear wheel doesn't just look aggressive, it anchors the LFC 700's street-dominating character. Measuring 2,430mm long, 880mm wide, and 1,100mm tall, the LFC 700 Pro is a massive presence on the road. With a wheelbase of 1,720mm and a low seat height of just 695mm, it's surprisingly approachable for riders of various sizes. It weighs in at 235 kilograms, holds 20 liters of fuel, and boasts a top speed of 195 kilometers per hour, proving that this isn't just a showpiece, but a serious performance machine. In conclusion, the 2025 Benda LFC 700 Pro is a bold statement, a fusion of brute power, high-end tech, and unapologetically futuristic design. Whether you're a cruiser fan or just want to turn heads everywhere you ride, this machine is engineered to dominate. Thank you for watching. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next time.